Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today I'm going to share with you a fun, simple idea that you can put together for the upcoming Super Bowl holiday if you're having just a small gathering or just watching the game with your family. Now, typically on Sundays I'll do my bulk cooking, and today I just happen to be making our bulk chili for the week. And I thought about putting together a chili charcuterie board that would be perfect for Super Bowl Sunday next week for a small party. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a charcuterie tray. And if you don't have a charcuterie tray just yet and you are thinking of purchasing one, my recommendation is to get a tray that actually has a lip on it as opposed to just a flat tray. And that's simply because, you know, when you see these beautiful charcuterie boards put together and you're actually trying to use them or move them, if they're filled with a bunch of different random items, those items can slide off, or when people are trying to grab things from the charcuterie tray, there's more of a chance of things falling off. Also, I like the fact that this one here has handles, so you can actually transport the tray wherever you need to transport it. Now this one right here for making my chili board, this charcuterie board, this would be perfect for anywhere from 2 very hungry men up to possibly 6 family members. The first step for me is selecting the board and then thinking about how I'm going to display the items that I want to put on the board. Well, since this board is going to be a chili board for Super Bowl, isn't this the perfect bowl to put our chili in? This is a football bowl. Now this football bowl I got many years ago from the Goodwill, and it was from an edible arrangements display, and I use it every football season. Every year I use this bowl for some type of football game. So I'm going to center that in the center of my board. And that's going to be the starting point because this is the star of the show, and the chili would go in there. From there, I'll start to think about how I want to set up my board and what I want to put on it. So I'm thinking that I can put these little condiment trays around, because I'm going to put little things like jalapeno peppers, cheese, sour cream, and things that you would put on your chili. And so I make sure I have enough condiment trays for the number of condiments I'm going to put out there. And then I thought about, okay, what else could I actually, what else goes with chili? So I'm thinking, okay, we can make baked potatoes and do, you know, like a stuffed chili baked potato. So you'll have your potatoes wrapped and you can kind of stick those in the back. And then everyone can have a baked potato with the chili on it. So that's easy. So you have your potatoes. Then you can say, oh, what else can I make that's simple and easy? You can do the chili hot dogs or chili dog. So, you know, you get your items for your chili, and these are some cute little hot dog, wrappers that I had for years when I did parties for my girls. And I just thought this would be a fun addition to add to the tray. You can just put the hot dogs in there. And boom, that's a nice little tray. So that's kind of like where I'm going with the setup. And then you have a little space in here to add any chips if you want to add chips. And another thing, based on the number of people you'll be serving with your tray, you want to make sure that the size of your serving dishes are compatible with the number of people you'll actually be serving. So if you had more people, you would get larger bowls. If you had a smaller crowd, you can use smaller bowls. So make sure that you are accounting for the number of people that will actually be using the tray. So now I'm going to check my refrigerator to see what type of fixings I have on hand that can actually go with this tray. So in my fridge, I already had some jalapeno peppers, and that goes great with chili. I already have this huge tub of sour cream. That goes well with chili. I had half of a red onion still left over. We could use that up. So that's going to go in the condiment tray. And then I had a little bit of cheddar cheese left, so that could go in the condiment tray. So these are going to make up my condiments. And I also have some of these multigrain tortilla chips left over. So here is the final tray. It is so simple and easy to put together, and I just think it came out gorgeous. Now it's time for some bloopers. Now you guys know I always like to keep it real. I really only made the chili today, and I had all of these other condiments here on hand. I didn't want to go out and just purchase things, especially if I know I'm not going to use or eat them. It's just the hubby and I in the house right now. We are empty nesters. Our kids have flew the nest, so we're not going to have hot dogs, and we're not going to have hot dogs, but this is here just for purely creativity and to give you ideas. There are no hot dogs in here. These packages are actually empty, but I just wanted to give you the visual effect of what it could be if you had small kids or guests or folks that wanted hot dogs. You could put that in there. I had these laying around so they would look, I had these laying around so I knew they would look cute on my board. Also, these baked potatoes. We've had these potatoes since I think Christmas. We had like a huge 10-pound bag and we didn't eat them all, but I thought, baked potatoes would definitely go great with the charcuterie board. I was clearing out the pantry before I went shopping today, and these potatoes are old. Look, they have eyes all on them. They're soft and mushy, but I just wanted to show you them on the board and act as if I wrapped them up to keep them warm. I just wrapped them up because they're actually rotten, so I'm going to actually get rid of the potatoes. Those are empty, but the hubs and I will enjoy this chili throughout the week. Probably make some nachos, probably have a bowl of chili one day, but this is just a cute little idea. So guys, I hope I've inspired you to put together something cute and festive for your family for the Super Bowl season. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.